1st January here. Happy New Year to everybody. Nah, kum tha chi bai. Naboh win. May you all be successful in whatever things you're doing and be prosper. Hello, good morning everybody. Tuing ka hi 2023 1st January here. Happy New Year to everybody. Nah, kum tha chi bai. Naboh win. Chai le ka khusung hin lai photo but ka sim hin zani so just phailang product be upon lai parda bo se khoi jing na dang he le emergency ka sim me hin. It's not a big deal but we're making as much natural it could be na. Okay nisa hung so tain since first son of the year hey tabani ko hi we're really happy yeah kung hung kaya ke pa ta hin khoi man devin hin kho mang che hitin I ming mu dong tu ni hi su phai hitin ke pa ta hin kho mang hitin te se tem tu ni ke pa le kung ke pa tu ni balls kung hung ke ball no me 100% chabon and di no me the but ta san thei dol ta hi na. So I wish everybody a very happy new year and may God bless each one of you with all your desires and may you all be successful in whatever things you're doing and be prosper. So thank you for watching. Please keep supporting. Love you all. Thing lang product pengen na kasi mo boy. Okay. Music home den kyong tain. Kyong no lai jong men time is ticking. Na. Mulet hang no khoijin ke nino tha so in thing na lo na jong tha so in silung a thai the jeng na hi ang ke sajai tain ma he to ka chenai pon te ka te ke sajai nai puin la he le nga janglam ta he group of family session photo session hung behin cameraman pa ki khomyong ke pantan ki no ma je ki family group photo ta he Sunday service kumtha first service here hama ka chede waita lama jong ki sim so so ta ben this is Mr. Zang Boy V Cookie hian lai khoi le Mr. Tim Boy khusunga ringa the most eligible bachelor here ma hena tun bai jang hi na tong falafel he walang happy new year ga si happy new year all friends. Oh thank you